You may have noticed different formats for images coming up, especially on websites. Let's have a look at a couple. These used to be JPEGs. You just download them and you could, edit them and do whatever you want. This particular one's an avif. And we've got another one. This one here, which is a webp. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but when you go to have a look at them, like just the thumbnails, you don't get the picture thumbnails, you just get what it opens with. And this one opens with Firefox. That's good, but you can't do anything with it. And this one opens with Edge, which is even worse. So we need a converter to convert it back into JPEG or PNG, just because they're not widely accepted, and so things like Photoshop and InDesign, I don't think they're recognised. Also on my picture viewer doesn't recognise them. So if I start up this thing, it goes, nah, can't do that, sorry. And it requires extensions. So this is just a hassle. It doesn't even recognise the avif. So the best program I'll find to change the format is this little guy here, XN Convert, and you can do it in batches. So we'll go through this. 25 meg, it's pretty small. And we'll just run it. English, accept, next, install. Alright, so that's pretty painless. And so we'll just have a look-see, see what we have to set up. Okay. Main thing is the output. We want it in the source file. That makes it quite convenient. And this is what it's going to rename it to. The actual file name it was underscore result. I don't like having the underscore result. Now I just like it to be called the same thing, but with a different extension. And we're going to save it as a JPEG. Okay. And we'll see how that goes with these two guys. Just drop it on there. Quick as that. And there you have the two files in JPEG. Got no problems at all looking at them. And see that one's the old one. So they're fine. Converted them fine. And now if you've got a whole lot, different formats. You just want to get rid of this avif. I mean, they might be good. I know these are really are good at compression, but they're not universally supported. WebPs are getting really popular, so there could be a time where, you know, you wouldn't have to do it, but at this point, just whack them all over there and convert. How quick's that? And here they all are as JPEGs. And we'll just delete all these, we don't need them. And here you got some nice wholesome pictures in a good format, which you can edit and put in Photoshop and do whatever you want. So that's it. Get one of them. I mean, the amount of converting is just incredible. I mean, check it out. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Bye for now.